again. Okay, so I'm gonna finish off this wall here. I got some more sheets. I'm gonna use this as a template to for cutting out this area here for the socket. I'm gonna have to, on the second one, it's gonna be cut out a little bit smaller. This is way too big. I'll get the proper measurements when I measure that. Now, I decided I'm not going to run any electrical wiring, no nothing, so that wall is not going to come down. What I'm going to be doing is using this. It's got 12 outlets, and it's got a couple of USB ports. A surge protector, I'm going to be using that for running pretty much everything. Okay, so basically I just got to get the sheet cut for this. I got this measured out here for top of the door. Just got to cut that out, and that'll take care above the door. That's just scrap now. Well, I'll use it for something else. So let's get this done and that. Alright, so we got the wall in place there. Got that on, looks good. Got this on, looks good. Not too bad. Okay, I just got to staple this in place, staple the other one in place, replace this back in, and then put the final piece up there, and the walls are done. There's a gap here, but I'm going to be putting a frame around the door. There we go. All done. Looks not too bad. Very nice. Okay, the next step now is to put the soundproofing in the ceiling to get it ready for the ceiling stuff. Alright, I took the dioramas out of there just so I'd be able to get the soundproofing up and under here as well in the closet. So I'm going to start over here, get the small portion done, then do the large ones all the way across. Okay, I'm gonna just fill these areas up to the point where they go, and then tuck in afterwards the rest of the lengths. Well guys, almost finished, almost. I still need to go get another bag to finish off these areas here, and for inside the closet. So you still gotta get that filled. But yeah, this is all but done. Looks really nice. I'm really happy with this. So I really piled it around the heat duct, just so there's no sound that's going to reverberate in the pipe up into the room. So whenever I stab my finger, you won't hear any four choice words going up there. Okay guys, that's it. All done now. Well, except for that spot, but other than that, got all that stuff in there. Looks good. As you can see, everyone, we've got the first board up for soundproofing.
Woo! Hi, interwebs.
That's my buddy Daryl.
Sup?
He's helping me get the ceiling on, so it's looking good.
He said he wanted to raise. He said he wanted to raise the roof. I had no idea he was meaning this.
Tee.
Oh god, that's gonna get edited out. You're editing that out because that was gay.
Okay, so we cut the power to the room, took the light out of that, so we got to make a hole, which is what we're doing here, to be able to get this up onto the wall. So once you get that cut out, looking good. Now, I just got to do a small strip to go along there. And whatever probably is left going inside there. And then we can finally put up the last completed ceiling over top of that. And it's coming along quite nicely. We got the first part up. We're just working on the second one here because we have to drill a hole to fit that into. And then from there, we'll put up the second sheet for the ceiling. There we go, guys, looking good. Just got the one section over here to do, and this ceiling is finished. There we go, everyone. The room is officially done with the walls and the ceiling. I just got to do moldings around the top edge of the ceiling just to finish it off, make it look good. And that's it for this episode. Next episode, we are going to be working on the actual workbench. So please like, subscribe, comment, don't forget to share, and click that notification bell for any future uploads. If you have any questions or you want me to do some commission work for you, contact me at epyc.models@gmail.com. And please check out my website, www.epyc.models.com. See you all later. Bye-bye.